Cleaning windows used to mean ladders, buckets, and a risky balancing act. But in 2026, that routine is rapidly becoming obsolete. Window cleaning robots have evolved into smart, precision-driven devices that combine powerful suction, AI navigation, and safety systems designed for real-world conditions, from high-rise apartments to large panoramic glass surfaces. In this ranking, we break down the top 5 window cleaning robots that actually deliver consistent results. No gimmicks, no overhyped specs, only models with proven performance, solid build quality, and intelligent cleaning patterns. Expect a deep look at suction power, edge detection, cleaning efficiency, and real usability. If you're tired of streaks, missed corners, or simply don't want to risk cleaning windows manually, this lineup will show you which robot is truly worth your money. Kicking off the ranking, the ECOVACS WINBOT Mini Window Cleaning Robot is a compact, entry-level solution designed more for regular maintenance than deep cleaning. And that positioning matters. With its lightweight body, ultrasonic dual spray system, and intelligent path planning, it handles dust, fingerprints, and light stains efficiently while staying quiet and easy to operate, making it ideal for apartments and small windows where convenience is key. But once you move into heavier dirt or dried spots, the limitations become obvious, requiring multiple passes and sometimes manual pre-cleaning. Still, the 9-stage protection system, stable suction, and anti-slip design add confidence during use. So overall, this is not a powerhouse, but a predictable, budget-friendly tool for keeping glass consistently clean without effort, as long as expectations match its real capabilities.
The HOBOT S7 Pro window cleaning robot immediately feels like a more advanced and serious machine compared to entry-level models, mainly because of its patented dual mop polishing system that performs up to 600 wiping motions per minute, creating a much more realistic hand cleaning effect on glass surfaces, while the dual ultrasonic spray system with ultra-fine 15-micron mist helps dissolve dirt faster and significantly reduces streaking, even on large panoramic windows. Combined with powerful 4,800 Pascal suction and one of the smartest edge detection systems in this category, the S7 Pro works confidently on both framed and frameless glass, mirrors, balcony panels, and even decorative surfaces, without the nervous slipping cheaper robots sometimes show. While AI path planning keeps cleaning fast and organized at roughly 1 square meter every 2.6 minutes, though the bigger focus on polishing quality means it's not the quietest option on the market, and premium pricing pushes it closer to enthusiast territory. But overall, this is one of the closest experiences to true automated hand wiping currently available in the window robot segment.
The HUTT S7 window cleaning robot feels like a major step into premium territory, thanks to its extremely powerful 6500 PA suction system and one of the most stable chassis designs currently available, where the inward-tilted triangular body and spring-loaded pads improve edge contact and help the robot stay planted, even on wet glass or narrow-frame surfaces, while the hydrojet spray technology adds a more aggressive cleaning approach by blasting a 120-degree ultrafine mist every few seconds, allowing the robot to tackle fingerprints, dust buildup, and tougher dirt much more effectively than simpler spray systems. Paired with the SLAM 4.0 navigation platform, the S7 moves confidently across framed and frameless windows with smart route planning and precise edge recognition. And the safety package is also impressive, including rapid pressure compensation, anti-fall protection, and a backup battery capable of holding suction for up to 25 minutes during a power outage. Though the stronger motor and cleaning pressure naturally make it a bit louder during operation, and the overall size is less compact than minimalist competitors. But in terms of raw cleaning confidence and stability, this is easily one of the strongest all-around performers in the category.
The biggest surprise of this ranking is easily the CHOVERY window cleaner robot, because at under $100, it delivers a level of suction power and real-world cleaning performance that honestly feels above its price category, especially thanks to the 5600 PA motor and dual spiral cleaning heads that create surprisingly strong pressure against the glass while moving smoothly across large windows, mirrors, glass doors, and tiles, with AI v2.0 route calculation helping the robot avoid chaotic movement patterns common in ultra-budget competitors. What makes this model stand out even more is how effective it becomes after proper setup, dry dust removal first, then slightly damp microfiber pads. Because when used correctly, it leaves glass impressively clean with minimal streaking. Though it's important to understand this robot depends heavily on maintaining balanced moisture levels, since overly wet pads reduce suction stability and can cause slipping, while the permanently connected power requirement also reminds you this is still a budget-oriented machine, despite the backup battery and multiple safety protections. But overall, the value proposition here is extremely hard to ignore, making it one of the strongest low-cost window cleaning robots currently available for everyday home use.
Taking the crown in this ranking, the ECOVACS WINBOT W2S window cleaning robot feels like the most balanced and refined window cleaning robot overall, because instead of focusing only on raw suction numbers or aggressive marketing features, it combines smart navigation, improved edge coverage, stable movement, and genuinely practical day-to-day usability into one polished package, with the biggest advantage being the true edge cleaning system that allows the robot to reach much closer to edges and corners than traditional round models, dramatically reducing the annoying untouched strips many competitors still leave behind, while the upgraded triple wide-angle spray system distributes moisture far more evenly across the glass for cleaner wiping performance and fewer streaks during routine maintenance. Paired with the WinSlam 4.0 navigation engine, the robot moves methodically across large windows with intelligent route planning and reliable surface mapping, making it especially effective on panoramic glass and modern apartments with oversized windows. And although heavily neglected glass may still require multiple passes and occasional microfiber cleaning during operation, the overall consistency, safety package, cleaning logic, and polished user experience simply feel more mature and premium than the rest of the lineup, which is exactly why the W2S confidently takes first place as the best all-around window cleaning robot in this top 5. Window cleaning robots have become far more than experimental smart home gadgets. The best models now deliver genuinely useful everyday performance with intelligent navigation, stronger edge cleaning, improved spray systems, and reliable safety features that make maintaining large or hard-to-reach windows dramatically easier. While this ranking clearly shows that the ideal choice depends not only on suction power or price, but on how well the robot matches your real cleaning needs, window size, and frequency of use.